In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Antigravity and Claude Code. By the end, you'll have the Claude Code extension installed inside Antigravity so you can streamline coding tasks, ask for AI-assisted suggestions, and keep everything in one place. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your Antigravity account, you have a stable internet connection, and you're allowed to install extensions in your workspace. If you're part of an organization, you might need admin approval. First, open Antigravity in your browser and sign in. You should land on your main dashboard or home screen. Give the page a moment to fully load so every menu item appears. If your workspace uses a compact layout, you may need to expand the sidebar to see all options. Next, look to the left-hand side and select Extension. This opens the extension or add-ons area where you can discover, manage, and update tools that plug into Antigravity. If you don't see it, check for a small arrow to expand the sidebar, or use the main menu icon on smaller screens. Once you're in, you'll find a search bar at the top along with categories and filters. In the search field, type Claude Code. Be precise with the name to avoid lookalike results. When it appears, open the listing to confirm you've got the right one. Review the description, the publisher, recent update date, and the version notes. It's a good idea to skim the overview to understand capabilities, any rate limits, and whether it requires additional permissions. If your team has policies, verify it's approved for your environment. Now click Install. Antigravity will prompt you with a permissions dialog. Read what the extension will access, such as project context or code snippets, and make sure that aligns with your needs. If prompted to select a workspace or environment, pick the correct one and proceed. When you're asked to trust publisher and install, confirm you recognize the verified publisher and that the requested access makes sense. Trusting a publisher signals you agree to let their signed code run within your workspace. Once you're comfortable, approve and continue. You'll see a short progress indicator and the extension will be added. After installation, you should find Claude Code under your installed extensions or available from your project toolbar. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page. Still not visible? Check your role permissions or ask your admin to approve the install. Pop-up blockers can also hide consent screens, so disable them temporarily if needed. That's it. You've integrated Google Antigravity with Claude Code and you're ready to work faster and smarter.